Oh, yeah.
Oh! What?
They painted the outlet. Just the electric part, not the cover. This isn't even wood. This is foam. I think it's called Qcknd.
Today is the very first day of demo, in the very first hour of home ownership. Only closing on the house briefly before this footage. The background on this home is basically unknown to us. Later, we would talk to some neighbors and try to piece something together, but as of right now, the best way to figure out the history of this house is to peel back every layer. We waived the inspection and never actually had a chance to meet the homeowner. He was in his 80s or 90s when he passed and had no family or next of kin. The listing agent would go on to suggest he knew him, but bills from the senior facility that would continue to get sent to the house would suggest to me at least that he had been away from the house for a long time. Maybe a very long time, because the style of the home is confusing, but leans very 90s to me. Still, we have a very expensive mystery on our hands here. But first things first is to start by ripping up the carpets, removing the wallpaper, and taking down the wood paneling to see exactly what we're working with today.
So the plywood starts right here.
Yeah.
So I'm not worried about having to move the floor. Get up. Yeah, there's just plywood right there.
If you don't know, this is John. He's a carpenter with almost 20 years experience in his trade, and absolutely the only reason we could take on this project. And now I'm his apprentice, and this is my very first day at work. I don't know what I'm doing, and I'm scared of getting dirty, but we have a really strict timeline for this project, so we have to move forward as quickly as possible, so I'll be learning on the job and trying my best. Even in a skirt. My favorite skirt, I should add. So here's me trying to be helpful the best I can with getting rid of these carpet pieces. So we're cutting them into strips so that they can fit in contractor bags so we can easily throw them out. We are not doing a dumpster. We are taking all the trash to the dump ourselves, so this is a way to just make the process a lot easier for us to handle as two people ripping out a literal ton of garbage from a house. So this is contractor carpet, the carpet you find on those giant rolls in the hardware store. They're commercial grade, so I guess dude was dead serious about walking around his house. Not about vacuuming though. Not very serious about that at all. Using commercial carpet throughout the house, though, does signal to me that lower quality materials were likely used in the previous renovations done to this house. But on a positive note, I don't feel bad about throwing it away.
Is that what expected? It's cool though.
This is so cool. What? Will he come out of it anymore?
No.
So these friendly friends are tack strips. They hold the carpet to the perimeter of the room, but they are basically spiky rulers that are covered in nails.
These suck.
After the rug was gone, I had a pretty easy job to do. Remove all of the rogue staples and nails out of the wall and floor. All the wallpaper really smells like air freshener.
I should have probably just grabbed it. I didn't do this.
You want me to go get it?
No, I'm like very,
We need it to get the tip-top wallpaper anyway.
Yeah, you're right. Is my ass cracking now?
Sometimes.
Yeah.
Oh, like butter.
Oh, yeah.
Oh! What? No way!
This is really old wood paneling.
Let me see.
It's so heavy.
Yeah, like upstairs, I felt a. That is really heavy. It didn't feel correct calling it wood paneling upstairs because that's not what it felt like.
Oh, that sucks.
This is pretty.
Yeah. Pretty smoke stains.
Yeah, homie smoked inside. All the wallpaper smells like air freshener. Like when I was condensing it into the bag, like air freshener smell was coming out.
When I went to Lowe's, it smelled like air freshener.
It stinks like air freshener in here.
Oh my homies hate air freshener.
You're truly just ripping that with your mitts.
Yeah.
This is wallpaper, and then this is wallpaper from underneath this wallpaper, which is over top of this wallpaper, which means that this is probably wallpaper that they painted white, because it does feel and sound a little weird. Just tons of wallpaper. Hey!
You want to grab this?
Yeah. Okay, what should I do?
Just put a hand on it.
My hand's on it, but...
No, come out here.
Oh. Yes!
This is gonna go.
No, it's as big as an oven! Oh, there's a fingernail on it. I'm not like really holding this, right?
Hold on to this. I'm gonna pick this up.
Yeah.
Fish the bolts out. And do the same on the other side. You may need to tap them out.
I think I should put it on the ground.
Yeah, but I don't. Here. Hold this up. I think it has to come in. Can you pick up?
That's it. It's stuck on that side?
Can you see anything under it?
Yeah, it just has to be lifted up a little bit. It's two tracks that are getting caught in the window frame. Yeah. And then do it one more time on the side. Wait. Can you wiggle it back and forth?
Yeah.
Do that. Wiggle it this way.
Here, come in here. Yeah, it's screwed in. But how is this attached? Okay.
Got it?
Yeah. Lift up that side.
You okay? The fuck? What a psycho!
Get that flathead screwdriver. I don't know if I can even lift this. No.
Can we grab it?
Yeah.
No way! There's so much old man dander that just came out of there.
I'm just pulling the threshold up so we can zip the carpet right out.
Okay.
And then there should be nothing really holding it after that.
And we can like